Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So what if literally you have just 2 minutes and you need to complete your makeup within that time? I think every day in the morning before we are running off to college or office, we literally have just 2 minutes, right? And in that case, we will not have time for base or anything. Well, for that matter, I have just applied my sunscreen and I am going to complete this entire look using just 2 products. Okay, so let's start. So this is the Earth Rhythm tint and I'm going to use this as a multi-purpose thing. I'll show you. So this is my mirror. I will use exactly the same thing for my lips as well. For your eyes to make them pop out, we will use a blush, but just with hands because we really don't have much time, right? And just add a little bit color. You can do the same step even with lipstick for that matter. I'm applying a very nude shade over here so that, blending, trending and all of that things are not coming into the picture. So yeah, my eyeshadow is done and now I'm going to use a mascara just to, pop up the eyes. And I'm using my Maybelline mascara over here. My makeup look is ready. Now you can always accessorize this with anything you would want. So as you can see guys, I have been able to create a very fast, very mild, very clean and very soothing pinky makeup look, and I wish you enjoyed it. I wish you liked it. If you want to see more such content, please let me know in the comment section below. Please share this video among your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.